Hello everyone, welcome to Josh Max channel. In this video, we are going to see for grade 12 standard CBSE board, chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability. Already in the last videos, I have uploaded example 1 to example 15. Solutions I have uploaded with the detailed explanation. And now we are going to see the example 16 in this video. And before moving on to the example 15, I would like to tell you the 4 algebraic of continuous functions. So the first one is if two continuous functions if we have, for example, f of x and g of x are both are continuous function. It can be anything, okay? But f of x first function also continuous function and second function also continuous function. So when two continuous functions, when we add, no, okay, when we add two continuous function, the result is also continuous only. So sum of two continuous function is also continuous. Same way, difference of two continuous function is also continuous only. And even when we do the product, okay, so when we multiply the two continuous function also continuous only. And when we divide the two continuous function also, still it's continuous only. Okay, if we have two continuous function, whatever we do, the basic algebraic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division between the two continuous function, the result is also continuous only. Okay, so that is only given in the theorem 1. So the same thing as given in the theorem 1. Here it is. Suppose f and g be two real functions continuous at real number c. So f and g both are continuous, they are saying. So when continuous, f plus g also continuous, f minus g also continuous. So adding the two continuous function also continuous, subtracting, multiplying and dividing also continuous function only. Using that, we are going to see the solution for the example 16. Okay, so here what is given? Prove that every rational function is continuous. So they are asking us to prove every rational function is continuous. So what is rational function? Okay, this instead of taking a rational function, first we'll understand the rational meaning. Okay, so already we are aware of rational numbers, no? So what is rational number? What is rational number? We will call if any number which is in the form of p by q. So for number, denominator, numerator if we have, no, numerator, denominator if we have. So such type of numbers only we are calling it as a rational numbers. Denominators we should have. Right, same way only rational function. For any function, no, any function if it is in the form of p by q. Numerator also one function will be there and denominator also some function will be there. Such type of function only we will call it as rational function. So numerator also one function will be there. Okay, numerator also one function and denominator also one function. Maybe function in terms of x we will take for example. Okay, so such type of function only we will call it as rational function. Okay, so here already in example 14 one statement is given. That solution also I have uploaded in the last videos. So that is show that every polynomial function is continuous. We know that what every polynomial function is continuous now, right? So solution also we have that. So this is as a mathematical fact we can take. So every polynomial function is continuous. So now here let a rational function be f of x. Let rational function be f of x equal to, so rational function will have numerator and denominator, right? And here q of x is not equal to 0. And we see now p of x is also polynomial function. Q of x is also polynomial function. So here p of x and q of x are polynomial function. See in example 14 we have one fact. What is that fact? So before starting this sum itself I have told that fact is polynomial functions are continuous. P of x and q of x are polynomial functions. We know that. Okay, we know that polynomial functions are continuous. Polynomial functions are continuous. If polynomial functions are continuous, then definitely p of x, q of x also continuous only, right? Then p of x and q of x are continuous. And algebraic of continuous functions we have learned. If any function, if it is in the form of, if any two continuous function, if it is in the form of f by g format, then those result is also continuous, right? So using that, we are going to say f of x is continuous. And also we know that, so here what we are saying, p of x and q of x are continuous function we are saying. And in the algebraic of continuous function, we have one fact that what it says. So if any function which is in the form of p by q, right? So it is continuous function only. So two continuous functions in the form p of x by q of x also continuous. So what is p of x by q of x? It's f of x, right? What is f of x? Rational function. So f of x is continuous. So rational function is continuous. So f of x is continuous. Therefore, every rational function is continuous only. Function is continuous. That's all this sum. So basically here we use two properties. One is every polynomial function is continuous, and the next one is for two continuous function which is in the form of p of x by q of x is continuous. Based on that, we are saying f of x is continuous. And the next sum, example 17, the next video we can see. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe.